So what is Pitt's India Act of 1784? What are the provisions of Pitt's India Act of, important provisions of Pitt's India Act of 1784 from exam point of view? It distinguished between commercial and political functions of the company. So it demarcated what are the commercial functions and what are the political functions of the company. Then it allowed the court of directors to manage the commercial affairs, but created a new body called as board of control to manage the political affairs. So we need to remember, in Pitt's India Act, court of directors and board of control. So court of directors, what it managed? It managed commercial affairs. Board of directors, it managed political affairs. So this is a potential question area. They can twist, that is, they can just interchange this, that court of directors, and link it with political affairs, and board of directors with commercial affairs. No. So this we have to be very clear, that is, court of directors looked into the commercial affairs, whereas board of control looked into the political affairs. Thus it established a system of double government. It empowered board of control to supervise and direct operations of civil, military, government and revenue of the British possessions in India. So board of control had a higher authority in companies' affairs. What is the significance of Pitt's India Act? For the first time, companies' territories in India were called as the British possessions in India. However, we shall recall one thing, that is, for the first time the companies' affairs was brought directly under the control of British Parliament. It is through Regulating Act of 1773. However, it is through Pitt's India Act of, after Pitt's India Act of 1784, that the possessions of company in India was being called as British possessions in India. Then the another significance of Pitt's India Act was a secret committee was formed, which constituted members from both board of control and court of directors, and it was to see if the company officials are taking bribe. That was the purpose of secret